Hi guys, it's Beatty. Today I have recreated a look from the Midnight Sky music video. This is a quite editorial look, but I think if you skip the lips and maybe apply something more nude, it would be appropriate for a party. So if you guys would like to see how I did it, please keep watching. I will start off with the eyeliner. I'm using a gel brown liner and I will use this in the waterline on the bottom and the top. Now I will prime my eyelids. So I'm just using an eyeshadow primer and my ring finger. I'm going all around the eye. For eyeshadow, I'm going to start off with this purple shade and I'm using this on a fluffy brush. Just onto the eyelid, and I'm going to be diffusing it up. Her look also had this point here on the outer corner, so I'm going to just make that as well. And it was quite blended even in here in the inner corner. Now I'm going to go into the Naked palette and I'm using this gold shade. And this I will add to the inner corner and just dab a bit higher around as well. On the eyelid a little bit. In some scenes this purple was a bit deeper on the inner corner, so I will just use this one to deepen that up. With the same first brush that we used to apply the purple. Just going to deepen up the outer corner. And bring it up to the crease a little bit. I'm also going to dab a tiny bit right here. Now I'm going to take the same purple with a smaller pencil brush and just add it underneath. And this was not blended underneath, this was just kept quite close to the lash line. So this was kind of that, which then we can clean up with a concealer underneath as well to make it nice and crisp. Next I'm going to use a glitter base and I'm just taking this on my ring finger, very small amount, and I'm just going to press it on the lid of the eye so I can add some glitter. Now she had different sizes of purple glitter, I just have one size. So this is what I'm going to use today, but she had larger circles as well and some different kinds of glitter on her eyes. So I'm just going to pick it up with the same finger and add it to the eyelid. Now I'm going to just pick up some of the glitters with the cotton round. This is soaked in Bioderma. I'm just going to curl my eyelashes. I'm pretty convinced that she only had brown mascara on her eyes, so that's what I'm going to do today. But it is possible she had some individual lashes as well. Although her eyelashes are quite nice, so I don't think she had any individual lashes. So that is tons and tons of brown mascara. Now it's time for the face. I'm using 2 shades of TV Paint Stick to mix my color in. And I'm just using a sponge to apply it to my face. I'm using my lighter shade of TV Paint Stick mixed with a tiny bit of white, and that's going to be my under eye concealer / brightener. I'm just refreshing my gold here, adding a bit more. I'm adding a layer of loose powder to the face. I'm just going to use Nars Casino as a bronzer, and I'm using my powder brush because that was applied very softly. It wasn't like a definite line, it was just a shade of bronze here. Now I will use the Brow Artist for eyebrows, and I'm using quite a big angled brush just to fill them in. The eyebrow was quite filled in, but it was still soft, if that makes sense. It was not defined eyebrow. It was more of a soft but still large eyebrow. Now, as if this look wasn't editorial enough, she also wore orangey red glossy lip. I made quite a large full lip shape with this. Now I'm using the topper to finish this off. And as you can see, the shade is a little bit more red than in the video. So I have a gloss here. I made it using this eyeshadow from the palette that we were using and MAC lip gloss. And let's hope this is the right shade. Now the lips are more of an orangey red, which is what she had on the video. We still have a couple of finishing touches. I'm going to add a highlight, which is this one, a gold highlight. She had gold on in the video. It was kind of a diffused highlight. I don't think it's gold enough for this look. I will add this one from the Jeffree Star palette. This one is very gold, so it should work better. Right, so I'm just taking the sponge and going around the edges just to make sure that it doesn't have any harsh lines. And then last thing will be a touch of blush, and I will be using this one. I'm using it on the same powder brush that I used for bronzer as well, because I just want literally a touch of blush on the cheek. Okay, so that is the finished look. So that is my interpretation of the makeup from Midnight Sky video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button. For more makeup tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Now in some scenes this purple, this looks amazing. Like, I know this looks crazy, but I really love it.